If you want to hard reset your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you the exact method on how to do that. So let's get started. First of all, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. Now from here, just swipe up and power off your smartphone. After your Redmi 15C is completely powered off, now just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And once you see the Xiaomi logo, just release the power button and press and hold the volume up button. And as you can see, we have successfully entered into recovery mode. Now in recovery mode, just press the volume down button and select wipe data. Now just press the power button and confirm wipe data. Press the volume down button and select wipe all data, and press the power button to confirm wipe all data. From here, press the volume down button and select confirm, and press the power button to confirm your action. Now just wait for a few seconds until the hard reset process is completed, and once this process is completed, you will wipe all the data on your smartphone. And from here, just press the power button and select back to main menu. Now just select reboot now. As you can see, it is already selected. Now just press the power button and confirm reboot. Now just press the power button and confirm reboot to system. And as you can see, we have successfully done a hard reset on the Redmi 15C. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.